Hell of a party, isn't it? So how do you know Julie? Here, give it here. Damn child-proof tops. What do you think we are? Idiots?
Yes, idiots. Fools who must taste the fire of the gods.
Did you try Gloria's potato salad? It's not bad if you flick raisins out.
I shall burn the raisins out.
You what?
Burn them all. Burn them to a crisp.
Crisps? Nah, I'm good, mate. Got me sausages.
Everything burns. Everything you covet will fall into smouldering ash. The moment my match strikes.
Strike? Ah, it's a shame, is that? Still, first bonfire night off in 17 years.
What?
I say it's first bonfire night we've striked in years. No firemen on duty for miles around. So have you seen that Social Network film? Ta-da then, mate. What a nice man.